Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this particular video, I want to talk about two ticker symbol and both are almost identical pattern. They move the same way. So if you want, you can play both or you can just choose one. So the first one is ticker symbol AMC. You can look at the chart looking really nice. For last few days, it has been going higher. The next one is ticker symbol GME. Almost the same thing. They're all going at the same direction. So I'm going to start with AMC. I'm going to talk about the price action, support, resistance, few other things, short interest. At the same time, some option chain activity. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel. At the same time, I have a Patreon community. The link is in the first comment and also in the description. Join my community, get access to my Discord so that each morning you can get different tickers with their entry, exit, profit target, and some note. I also go live at 9 o'clock to explain the play so that we can all make some money. As an example, IMPP last day our entry was 1.6. It came back all the way to 1.6, moved 20%. So these are some of the plays we are making money almost each and every day for day trading. So anyway, let's talk about the stock now. So AMC, this is a daily chart. So you can see that up and down, up and down. We all know about AMC, apes and everything. The good thing is if you look at the two lines here, the red line and the blue line one. So this is 20 and 50 EMA, and you can see that the let me show you. So the EMA 20 is the blue one, right? Yeah. So the EMA 20 blue one is now curling down. So when it was at $40 on a daily, the 20 became below the 50. So it was all bearish, and now I see this thing is nicely going up. So things are looking really nice. So I'm very excited. Also, if you look at the MACD is going higher, the RSI looking really nice. Is a little bit overstretched. It's close to 60-65, but you know AMC, it can go all the way to 90, right? So still there are some rooms to grow, and the RSI is going higher. Chart is looking nice. I'm very excited, and we have been playing AMC on the option side as well as for day trading, and we have been making money. So let's look at the chart first of all. So AMC was having a hard time having the 20.4 resistance because it was the support previously, came down. It tried to break 20.4 multiple times. It couldn't, came down, and now this thing is going higher again. So I'm gonna close the EMA lines. I just want to show you the chart here, right? So this is the daily chart looking really nice. Lots of volume coming. It just went over 20.5. If you look at the chart on a daily basis, there are some rooms to grow, right? So one area might be around 24, 24.3. After that, it can really run all the way to 30. And we know AMC how much it can move in one particular day. So this is the 3-minute chart. I just want to show you how this thing is moving, right? So we have been playing. So the other day when it broke here 20.4, we got in, make some money, get out. Again, the last day, it again broke 20.4 all the way to 21.5, came down, and currently battling over 20.4. So this is an important area. As long we go over 20.4, makes it a support, and we don't go below 20.4, this is really good for the stock. Look at the chart. Price action went up, moving sideways, and some kind of resistance right around $21-22 area, right? So once we break this, I think we are gonna go higher again. Very exciting. Okay, you also need to know some other levels. If it comes down maybe around 19, maybe around 18, these are the areas you load up again for the next run. But anyway, let's look at the volume. Last Friday the volume was 71 million, whereas the average volume is 46 million, so almost like 1.5 times more volume came on Friday. You can see that when AMC was $60, these areas, the shares per day was 600 million, 700 million. So then the volume died. But whenever the volume came, AMC picked up, right? So again, the volume is coming, looking really nice, and this thing is going higher. And I want to show you one more thing just on a daily perspective. Just want to show you before I move to other things. So some people say downtrend, right? So if I draw a line right from the top, you can see it has been on a downtrend. You can just draw the line in many different ways. So it is very close to break out this particular downtrend. If we can go over 24, 25, we can say yes, on a daily we just broke the downtrend. It's time to go up, and more volume might come back. Just wanted to show you. Okay, so as per Fintel, the short interest is 20.2%, still good. right? Off exchange short volume ratio 55%. This is also good. The short share availability is only 0.5 million, so not a lot of shares available to short. So this is one other thing. If this thing comes zero, the short interest goes higher. At the same time, more volume comes. We know how AMC can move. Okay, I'm going to also talk a little bit about the option side. So I just want to show you the option side here. If you want to play with the option, I would say just make some money, get in, get out, this kind of thing, because the implied volatility is very high. So, and if you're buying a weekly expiry call option, then I think it's better to get in, get out. But if you want to swing it for some long term, maybe take extra time if you're doing with option. But look at the option chain activity, so nice. 16,000 volume here, 9,000, 17,000, 7,000. So lots of call options are here. So if you're day trading, just buy a call option when AMC is going higher, make some money, get out. Okay, so that's the overall thing, but you can see the volume is waiting here. Now let's talk about GME. Same thing, the 20 EMA is going over 50 EMA line. You can see the MACD is going higher, things are looking higher. So GME is kind of expensive. So on our side, we play with call option. But the important thing is look at the green line here around 146, 148, or you can say even 140. So this is the zone, let's say. It was acting like a support. We broke the support, we came down, now we are going higher, and we are trying to break this particular barrier. Once we break 145, 150, this area, I think things will be very, very interesting, and GME can run again. So keep an eye on GME as well, because whenever GME moves, AMC moves, they always go side by side. So I also want to look at a closer time frame. So on a 3-minute time frame, you can see that how GME is going higher, right? So maybe not 3 minutes, is too close. Maybe let's go to 15 minute. Okay, yeah, 15 minute. So the last run, it came here. You see the area 145, 146. It couldn't break, came down. Then last Friday, it went over. But the good thing, whatever was the resistance here, it made it as a support. That's the good thing. The previous resistance has become a new support. That's comforting. So if you are getting in, your stop loss should be somewhere here, because you will expect that it will bounce from that particular line and it will go higher. Okay, so that is GME. So let's look at the volume. So again, GME is getting a lot of volume recently, which is very, very interesting. Last Friday, the volume was 13 million compared to average volume was 5. Keep that in mind. AMC was getting more volume compared to GME. In terms of the short interest is 19%, and the off exchange short interest is 55%. Currently only 0.2 million shares are available to short. Very, very interesting. Okay, in terms of the cost to borrow fee rate is 26%. Less shares are available, so as long it gets more volume, things will move again. So if you want to play with GME option, let's look at the option now. So that's the option chain activity. I'm sure lots of volume we will see. So the next week expiry, which is April 1st, look at the, oh no, there's not a lot of volume, because the AMC, it has a lot of volume, but GME, I don't see a lot of volume. Maybe it's more expensive side. Looking at the monthly expiry date is still not a lot of thing. So if you think this is an expensive stock, what I would say, you can always do a debit spread, meaning that if you want to buy one call option for this one call option will cost $1,140. So you buy this strike price, you pay 1,140, then you sell another call, let's say for 157.5, and you get back 935. So you are paying 1140, you are getting back 935. So for this debit spread, you are only paying $200. If GME goes over 157, you can make a lot of money, at least 300 profit compared to paying 200 upfront. So anyway, debit spread is something, when something is very expensive, you can think about it. So anyway, in this particular video, I do not want to talk about those things. I just wanted to show you the chart and all the excitement I'm having for AMC and GME. Especially for AMC, it's less expensive, more volume is coming, people can afford these, lots of call option activity. I'm very, very excited. So anyway, let me know your thought on this particular two stock. If you're holding, if you have making money last week, what's your thought? If you like this particular video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, I have a Patreon community. If you want to get pre-market and market hour update on the chart, entry, exit, or our thoughts, the other people, how they're reacting, what they're playing, then give a try, join my community. Only $9 per month. Also, I would love this kind of, I think you will love it, right? So for many tickers what is happening when you get in, when you get out, make some money. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.